Hello, welcome to your channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic perfect for anyone looking to make money online: faceless videos. If you've ever dreamed of earning an income from the comfort of your home without showing your face, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the world of faceless video creation and how it can become a lucrative side hustle for you. We'll start by discussing what faceless videos are and the various platforms where you can share them. From YouTube to TikTok, the opportunities are endless. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a seasoned filmmaker. With just a few simple tools and creativity, you can start producing engaging content that attracts viewers and generates income. Throughout this video, we'll also highlight the ease of getting started. You'll learn about different types of faceless videos such as animations, slideshows, and voiceovers, which allow you to express your ideas without ever stepping in front of the camera. Plus, we'll share tips on how to optimize your videos for maximum reach and engagement. So stick around, whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your income streams. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how to kickstart your journey in the world of faceless video creation and tap into its incredible potential. Let's get started! Understanding faceless videos. Faceless videos are a unique form of content creation that allows you to engage an audience without ever appearing on camera. Unlike traditional video content where creators often showcase their personality and presence, faceless videos rely on visuals, voiceovers, and creative storytelling to convey messages. This approach opens up a world of possibilities for those who may feel camera shy or simply prefer to remain behind the scenes. One of the main advantages of creating faceless videos is the freedom it offers. You can focus entirely on the content without worrying about your appearance or public speaking anxiety. This can lead to a more authentic and relaxed creative process, allowing your ideas to shine through. Additionally, faceless videos can be produced more quickly, as you don't need to spend time setting up a camera or perfecting your on-screen presence. There are various types of faceless videos you can create, each with its own appeal. For instance, animations can bring stories to life in a visually captivating way, while slideshows can effectively present information or showcase products. You can also explore voice-over-driven content, where your narration guides viewers through engaging visuals. Overall, faceless videos provide a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to create compelling content without the pressure of being in front of the camera. The possibilities are endless, whether you're sharing educational material, entertaining stories, or product reviews. Choosing your niche. Selecting the right niche is a crucial step in your journey to creating successful faceless videos. The first thing to consider is your interests and passions. What topics excite you? What do you enjoy learning about or discussing? Choosing a niche that resonates with you makes it easier to create engaging content that reflects your enthusiasm. Plus, your genuine interest will shine through, making your videos more appealing to viewers. Some popular niches that have proven to be profitable include finance, health, and technology. You can create videos on budgeting tips, investment strategies, or cryptocurrency insights in the finance niche. The health niche offers opportunities to discuss fitness routines, nutrition advice, or mental wellness tips. Meanwhile, technology is a rapidly evolving field, where you can cover product reviews, tech tutorials, or the latest industry trends. Each of these niches has a dedicated audience eager for valuable content. However, while exploring your interests, it's essential to research market demand and competition. Use tools like Google Trends or keyword research platforms to gauge what topics are trending and how saturated the market is. This will help you identify gaps where you can carve out your unique space. Remember, a profitable niche balances your passion with audience demand. By choosing wisely, you'll set yourself up for success in the world of faceless video creation. Content creation tools. When creating faceless videos, having the right tools can make all the difference. Let's dive into some essential resources that will help you easily produce high-quality content. Tools like TubeMagic and Pictory are fantastic beginner options. They are all you need to set up your video content creation successfully. You'll not need anything else to create a full faceless video. Pictory creates complete videos based on a script, and TubeMagic will generate the script for you. I'm leaving the links below in the description. I'll show you the process I use to create a full faceless video. Since I like Egyptian stuff, let's make a video about ancient Egypt for our hypothetical YouTube history channel. Let's use our tools to create a faceless video about the history of ancient Egypt. We added the keyword, "Why did ancient Egypt collapse and when did it happen?" to TubeMagic, which will make the script for us. And here we have a complete script ready in seconds. Before AI, it would take 3 days to get a script back from the writer, costing at least $50 each time. TubeMagic costs $47 monthly, and we get the script in 2 minutes. AI should always bring savings in time and money. Now, we go to Pictory. Click on Proceed on the Script to Video feature to copy and paste the TubeMagic generated script, and then click on Proceed. In a couple of minutes, Pictory has created a full faceless video. Revise it. You can change the visuals you don't like and replace them, all from inside Pictory. Now, it's just a matter of downloading it to your computer and uploading it to your YouTube channel. But let's check out the video for over a minute to have a good idea.
Ancient Egypt, a civilization that flourished along the Nile River for thousands of years, captivates us with its grand pyramids, intricate hieroglyphics, and powerful pharaohs. However, despite its remarkable achievements, this once mighty empire eventually met its demise, leaving behind a legacy shrouded in mystery and intrigue. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating topic of why ancient Egypt collapsed and when this pivotal event took place. Ancient Egypt's prominence dates back to around 3100 BC when the country was unified under the rule of King Menes, marking the beginning of the Old Kingdom period. Over the centuries, Egypt thrived as a center of culture, innovation, and power, with the construction of iconic monuments such as the Great Sphinx and the Pyramids of Giza. The civilization reached its peak during the New Kingdom era, characterized by the reign of famous pharaohs like Tutankhamun and Ramses II, who expanded Egypt's influence through military conquests and grand building projects. Understanding the factors that led to the collapse of ancient Egypt is crucial for unraveling the mysteries of this enigmatic civilization. While the exact reasons for its downfall remain debated among historians, several key factors are believed to have played a role, including environmental changes, political instability, and invasions by foreign powers. The fall of ancient Egypt continues to intrigue scholars and enthusiasts alike, with many unanswered questions surrounding its demise.
I like it very much. The quality, the captions, and the voiceover are fantastic. By leveraging these AI tools, you'll be well equipped to create captivating faceless videos that resonate with your audience. Happy creating! Video optimization techniques. Optimizing your videos is essential for improving visibility and engagement, especially in a crowded online space. One of the most critical aspects of video optimization is search engine optimization, SEO. This involves carefully crafting your video titles, descriptions, and tags to include relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. A well-optimized title not only grabs attention but also helps your video rank higher in search results. Similarly, a detailed description can provide context and encourage viewers to click on your video, while tags help categorize your content, making it easier for viewers to discover. Another vital element of optimization is the thumbnail. An eye-catching thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Use bold colors, clear images, and concise text to create a thumbnail that stands out in videos. Remember, your thumbnail is often the first impression viewers will have of your content, so make it count. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of engaging calls to action, CTAs, within your videos. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or direct them to related content. A well-placed CTA can guide your audience on what to do next, fostering a sense of community and increasing viewer retention. By implementing these video optimization techniques, you'll enhance your content's visibility and create a more engaging experience for your audience. Happy optimizing. Monetization strategies. When it comes to turning your faceless videos into a source of income, several effective monetization strategies exist to consider. One of the most popular avenues is the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify for monetization through this program, you must meet specific requirements. At least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. Once accepted, you can earn money through ads displayed on your videos, providing a steady income stream as your channel grows. Another lucrative option is affiliate marketing, promoting products or services related to your video content. You can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This strategy works particularly well in niches like technology, health, or finance, where you can recommend tools, courses, or products that resonate with your audience. Just be sure to disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain transparency with your viewers. Additionally, there's significant potential for sponsorships and brand collaborations. As your channel gains traction, brands may approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. This can be highly profitable, especially if you align with brands that match your niche and audience interests. Collaborations can enhance your credibility and expand your reach, making it a win-win situation. By exploring these monetization strategies, you can turn your passion for creating faceless videos into a rewarding income source. Happy monetizing. Building an audience. Growing a subscriber base for your faceless video channel is essential for long-term success, and several effective strategies can help you achieve this. First and foremost, consistency is key. Establish a regular uploading schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and stick to it. Consistent content builds viewer trust and keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. When viewers know when to expect new videos, they're more likely to subscribe and stay loyal to your channel. Engaging with your audience is another crucial aspect of building a community. Take the time to respond to comments on your videos and interact with viewers on social media platforms. This two-way communication fosters a sense of connection and makes your audience feel valued. By acknowledging their feedback and questions, you create a loyal fan base, more likely to share your content and recommend your channel to others. Additionally, consider collaborating with other creators in similar niches. Partnering with fellow content creators can expose your channel to a broader audience and attract new subscribers. Collaborations can take many forms, such as guest appearances, joint projects, or shoutouts. By leveraging each other's audiences, you can create a win-win situation that benefits both parties. By implementing these tips, consistency, engagement, and collaboration, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving subscriber base for your faceless video channel. Happy growing! Conclusion. In today's video, we've explored the exciting world of making money online through faceless videos. We discussed several key strategies to help you succeed in this venture. First, we highlighted the importance of choosing a profitable niche that aligns with your interests and passions. Next, we introduced essential content creation tools, such as TubeMagic and Pictory. We also covered video optimization techniques to enhance visibility and engagement, including SEO practices for titles, descriptions, and tags, and the significance of eye-catching thumbnails and engaging calls to action. Moreover, we delved into various monetization strategies, from the YouTube Partner Program to affiliate marketing and sponsorship opportunities. Finally, we shared tips on building an audience, emphasizing consistency in uploading, engaging with viewers, and collaborating with other creators. Now that you have a roadmap to start your faceless video journey, remember that taking the first step is crucial. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Embrace the opportunity to express your creativity and potentially earn an income from it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others interested in starting their faceless video channels. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.